If you are wondering if you can play PUBG on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then of course the answer is yes. You shouldn't have any issues whatsoever with the game running well on this phone. As you can see right now, I have pretty much constant 90 FPS, and if you want to, you can of course open the game booster panel to try to make some further adjustments. Also, let me show you the graphics settings that we have on set up by the game itself. So in here we can see that for combat the graphics are set to balanced and the frame rate is set to extreme plus, but if we open the customization in here, then this is how it looks like. So the graphics of course can be set to even like ultra HDR or something. Well, actually I don't have HDR downloaded, and the HD graphics are also not downloaded for me, but I'm pretty sure the game the phone should be able to handle these graphics. And also the frame rate setting is, as you can see, set to extreme plus. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.